This is LILGUJ.
Sorry, is
Blaze Cipher.
black hole.
Black hole.
Now why can't be black hole? Why can't it be a white hole, man?
Seeker.
Today we're doing guess who made a sound challenge. I restarted because this dumbass was on cheat. For this category, we're going to do cars again.
Alright.
That's Seeker. That's a little good, but Sammy's bug got started. That's Sammy, yes. That's serious again. I know your voice, so this is easy. He started laughing. That's a little, I mean, Peter Seeker and Savvy, yes.
And it's only gonna be one, so choose.
You got one wrong.
Oh, we just got on. When did you say the same?
Just know you got one wrong.
Yeah, you got one wrong.
Yeah, did you do it too? I heard
I'll
your
go
voice
next.
too.
Alright.
Not the first one. Yeah, I heard your voice too.
You missed out.
The first one was the one that I supposed to be in the middle. Jungus in the middle.
I'm the oldest. That's oil.
Alright.
Oil.
This time we're doing video game sounds.
Yeah, I don't know if we can eat a salad. Full start.
Mamma mia!
That's Peter Seeker.
Game sound.
You don't know.
Do like all kid sounds of that. I didn't Peter Seeker. I'll hold Blazing Cipher for a second. And choose who you're gonna go with that here too. It's only gotta be one person at a time. Same yes.
Yeah, that's it. It's gonna get in the same spot so we know.
Yeah, I'm not gonna move, but you want happy.
If you already went twice, you can go again. Oh, that's same yes.
What video game was that?
That doesn't sound like a Samsung startup.
No, it's from the fucking duck thing where you're shooting. That when you started off.
Everyone went 2 times. Everyone went 2 times that time, right? If I went 2 times, you switch. Run, Peter Seeker.
Yeah, everybody went 2 times.
They
do this.
Yeah, you should do the easier topics. We have video game noise.
Hey, there's like a, like you shooting, there's like a gun sound, there's other sound.
Yeah, but how will we make that sound? We can't fucking make a gun sound.
Actually, you could. If you go to my like videos,
No, we do ammo, so niggas complaining. Let's do ammo most.
Yeah, animals.
Alright.
That animal is that? I guess that is the animal. Cat. I think Bradley is. That was too good. That was brazen stuff pay.
We know each other too good.
Sammy is, I'm totally not looking at the fucking refresh.
I know, I think I was looking at the reflections when I was there.
No, it's a fucking Dungar with the good. You know, Sammy, yes, you don't want to be a chicken.
This is no we know each other. Oh shit.
Yeah. We know each other way too well.
That one just
fucking
going to one
jackass.
round, dude. That one just one round.
Jackass.
A donkey. That sounds like a donkey.
Okay.
Alright, just have sound effects.
Okay. That's water shaking.
No, you guys made a sound effect.
Little god.
No.
Okay, you guys doing sound effects now? The fucking voices. That's not
Yeah,
fair.
it's a wise. It's a way to
No. You could do sound effects with your voice.
change your voices here. Just change your voices, so it's harder for him.
Paradox seeker.
Okay.
Blazing cipher.
No, didn't it?
Oh yeah.
Little god.
My voice too deep.
I heard somebody smacking somebody's stomach, then blazing cipher made a sound. Are you just moving around?
I know it's telling me to go, so it's harder for you. Toilet changing around.
Blazing cipher. Blazing cipher said something, then somebody just did a farting.
That's easy. That's weird.
Yeah, that's way too easy, and I think everyone.
Because we know each other nature too at the same
That's
time.
weird.
I know all you guys for my whole fucking life. Well, your whole life.
Yeah.
I know you for my whole life, too.
Exactly. Your whole life, I actually know you.
There's no point for this video.
Yeah, we know each other nature's way to God, so hope you enjoyed us being dumbasses. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I know I was in at the high limit.
What the fuck I'm